All right, welcome once again. I want to talk about something very crucial here. Something that may interest you, might interest you more. Something that I believe is going to help you take care of your health. Have you observed that today a lot of people are sick? Tom, Dick, and Harry. Sometimes what amazes me more is when the doctors get sick. And it looks like there is nothing to be done to help the doctor recover from one sickness or the other. When the nurse gets sick, when the physician gets sick, But one question that, nobody wants to ask is, how does the body heal itself? How does our body heal? Because the body has a self-healing mechanism. That is the way God made it. God made our body in such a way that it should auto-repair the cells, the tissue, the organs, and the entire body system. I take it again. God made the body and installed a mechanism with which it can auto-repair itself. It can repair the cells, repair the tissues, repair the organs, and repair the entire body system. And so, our bodies have an amazing capacity to heal. It can heal. That is why when you have injury, you did not go to the hospital. You didn't do anything. Maybe you clean it, and before long it gets healed. So that is from recovering after a fall and injuries to dealing with bacteria. Your body has a way of dealing with bacteria, has a way of dealing with viruses, has a way of dealing with the bad food you take in every day and the toxins, So we have what we know as ancient build-up mechanisms designed to defend and repair our body system. That is what God did. Don't forget what the psalmist said. He said, praise God, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. He said, glorious are thy work, O God. So God who made the body knew what the body can do. The capacity of the body to heal itself. But do you know the mistake we have always done? Our problem is whenever we are sick, we attack the sickness. And in a bid to attack the sickness, we are also attacking the body. But I think we should always think of engaging the body and then activating the capacity of the body to heal itself. And then you don't need to just assume that the body failed whenever it is sick. And the best option is to attack the disease, typically with medication, or in more severe cases, surgery. There are several surgery I call error. Yes, of course. Because there was no need at all for surgery. Okay? It is because some of the patients give so much pressure to the doctor, and the doctor is handicapped. And so the best option available is to cut the individual. But if you had left it and do something, what I believe, alternative, the body can auto-repair itself. You see, I have the authority to say this because I have seen people with, cataracts healed without operation, glaucoma healed without operation, fibroid healed without operation, benign prostatic hyperplasia, what we know as prostate problem for men, healed without operation. So I am saying this because we have been able to help a number of persons in these cases. So it is not all cases that require operation. All we just need to do is to activate the body's ability to heal itself. More of us, or most of us, are not even aware that there is another way to approach health and illness. So I want you to know it here, that there is so many ways by which you can approach illness and health. Okay? Now, I certainly didn't know until I started going to my, nature. I began to consult with nature, consult with people who are into alternative medicine. And then also, after I had gone to school and came back, looking at the ability of the fruit and vegetables, the ability of nutrition to heal somebody's body, I have now the capacity. Okay? I have the authority now to tell you, because I have done it for a number of persons, that the body has a capacity to heal itself if you give it in a right atmosphere. So, it is now your duty to think of what you can do to your body to heal itself. That your body can heal itself of many illnesses. Okay? So all along we have been taught to look at the health care and diseases. Our bodies can heal almost anything. When they don't, it is often easy because the disease is too powerful. Not at all. If anytime you are sick and it looks like the sickness is not over, it is not because the sickness is too powerful. The problem is that the body's own healing mechanism is impaired. It's impaired. So all you need to do is to activate a mechanism of the body to heal itself. So how do you do it? Restore the natural mechanism. Restore the natural mechanism for the body to heal itself. I'm talking to you now because maybe you are sick and you've been trying all kinds of drugs. I've had people who came to me who have been taking drugs for the past 15 years. But within 1 or 2 months, they stop the drugs and they live a natural life. And the case is reversed. This is not advert. This is just to enlighten you that you have a wonderful body that can auto-repair itself. This is not advert. Don't see it as an advert. See it as an educational program that is intended to let you know that instead of death, there is life for you. Instead of prolonged, protracted illness, there is healing for you. Your body can auto-repair itself. It is just because a number of persons don't know how to go about it, but I'm here to guide you if you want us to guide you. That our diet and health will have proved beyond every reasonable doubt that our body can auto-repair itself. So, why is it that whenever somebody is sick, the first point of call is to engage in attacking the disease, instead of activating our healing power? Why is it so? You see, if I just talked with a friend of mine who is a prof, who has been suffering from cold and have been taking drugs. And you see, cold is a problem of bronchitis, a bronchial inflammation. And at the same time, it has also affected his immune system so much that he takes malaria drugs on a regular basis. Less than a month, he would treat malaria, and it wasn't working. But I tell you, by his testimony, he said for the past 3 months, no malaria drugs, no cold drugs. Why? Because I engage him in a program that helped the body to activate itself. So the immune system has been raised. The chronic bronchial infection has been healed. Can you see? So the body has been activated without drugs. All of this without drugs, only food. So only food can graciously activate the mechanism of the body to heal itself. So you can see how pervasive our way of thinking is when we read nearly 50% of the publications on daily basis about this and that and things that doesn't work and all of that. They hear from me now that your body can auto-repair itself. You can auto-repair the pancreas of the endocrine system, which perhaps may be the problem behind, what we call sugar problem, diabetes mellitus. You can dilute the artery and then reduce the problem of atherosclerosis, that what we call the hardening of the artery, that contribute to the problem of hypertension. You can reduce. You can make the artery flexible again. And then before long, you see the build-up of cholesterol, the build-up of perhaps the plaque that were in the artery will now dilate. And then before long, your blood pressure comes down without one single tablet. Now, one very common area where our body, our healing gets blocked is that the joint and muscles. Our joint and muscles. This makes sense when you read that joint and muscles problems cause the problem or the most disability and are the single most expensive category of healthcare problem. You've seen a number of persons suffer from arthritis, and I've handled such cases, and those persons who could not squat, whose joints were invaded with inflammation, the cartilage perhaps were eaten up, and they couldn't walk anymore. I've handled such cases, and eventually these people could run again. The pain alleviated because we've been able to activate the mechanism by which the body heals itself. So what are we talking about? So all I think you should think now is, how can I activate the mechanism of my body to heal itself? Because if that is done, no matter the sickness, the problem can be taken care of. The sickness can be healed. So if you care to know, Diet and Health is here as your faithful partner, who can guide you on a day-to-day basis, and then before long you are there. There is no sickness without healing. Of course. That is in my own thinking, and I've proven that to a number of persons who were sick. Many people who came to my office were always thinking that their problem were demonically orchestrated, witches and wizards, and that was why they prayed and fasted, and it looked like the prayer didn't work because you have not practically activated the mechanism of the body to heal itself. So when they came and talked with us, we were able to take them by the hand and guided them into the way. And before long, they are smiling. And they say, wow, this is awesome. So people of God, wherever you are listening to me now, please, I beg you, your body has a healing mechanism. It can auto-repair itself. A sickness will not kill you. Is it diabetes? Is it hypertension? Is it asthmatic condition? Arthritis? Is it overweight? What is it? Is it Parkinson's disease? Oh my God. It can be repaired. That is the way God made the body. Thank you very much. Please make sure you share this video, because there are a number of persons who are dying. They are thinking of a way out. Which way out? There is a way out. Your body can auto-repair itself. Thank you very much. God bless you. My name is Itoro Paul, Chief Executive Officer or the Chief Consultant of Diet and Health. Diet and Health is located in Uyo, number 4 Udememose Street, off Vision Road, near University of Uyo permanent site. Okay, you can also find our office through the Google map. If you want to know where we are, just type Diet and Health Foundation. It will guide you to where we are, to direct you to our office. You can also reach us on website. Our website is www.dietandhealthfoundation.com. People of God, we love you. We want you to live. God bless you.